Welcome back. So in this video I'm answering a viewer's question, and it is from Carrie Miles. I couldn't find it on the channel for some reason. I'm actually doing it for a comment app so I can keep up to date with all your comments. Anyway, let's get on with it. So Carrie asks, do you have a video about how to not get messages crossed between spirits? I don't even know if I'm asking that correctly. I'm very new to discovering that I'm a medium and I don't know how to handle messages getting crossed. Thanks for any help you can give me. So on and so forth. The message goes on a little bit there. So the problem is I don't know, because I was trying to find it on the channel, I don't know if she meant spirits getting muddled up. You know, like I don't know if it's mum or grandmother or messages, the message from the spirit world. So in this video, it's going to be about the message because that's how she worded it. But if it is about spirits getting crossed over, that will be another video. So this is actually a very, very short and simple video, hence why I'm doing it indoors. It's very grey, it's very rainy out there today. So no elaborate edits, no special effects being added, just plain and simple. And that's how this video is going to be, because getting the message from the spirit world is plain and simple. As a quick philosophy for you, as we move our mind to the spirit world for the client, so if the client's got 5 people there, let's do it very generically. So we've got nan, granddad, another nan, a mum and a dad in the spirit world. That's a nice easy 5. As I move my mind to the spirit world with the client sat there in front of me, I am potentially aware of all 5. The very fact that the client is there, meaning all her loved ones are in front, are with me in my mind. It's whether my mind finds them. Now, for the mediums out there that are doing that, you'll just move your mind, and the safety will be, let's go for Nana, let's go for Granddad, because that's something very simple. Again, that's another video when we've got the young ones or traumatic ones, or you know, very, very powerful stories. Our mind, through the safety, will go to the easier one, you know, the baking granny, so on and so forth. And that's simply for our own hang-ups, you know, that's something that we've got to learn to get through. But again, that can be another video. So whatever one we decide to go with, you know, through the safety of our mind, and what I mean by safety is there's no harm that can be done. I mean you as the individual go, oh, there's a nan, oh, there's a granddad. They're going to be quite generic. I'll go with that. And so what will happen is that the spirit world will do their communication, whether it be mum, dad, nan, granddad. They'll do it in their way or in the restricted way that you are working, you know, through the checklist, so on and so forth. And we get to that message part at the end of the sitting. The message is always the same on the given day. And what I mean is that maybe you're going through some transformation, you know, maybe you're moving away, maybe a relationship's broke down, maybe you're scared because you're about to change your career. You get where I'm going with that. And on that given day, the spirit world, whoever we connect to out of the 5, will be the spokesperson for the collective. So if I'm working with Nan or whether I'm working with Dad, the message will be the same. It's just the spokesperson here, whichever one it is going to be the one that cloaks the idea, and then the message can be given. Now that message may be very different, may be very soft or nurturing from Nan, but Dad's like very strict, and Dad's, you know, very black or white, then his message will come across as black or white. Whereas Nan may be a very nurturing way. However, the theme will be that on the given day, whatever it is that you are going through, whatever kind of guidance you need, whether that be the career or whether that be the relationship, so on and so forth. So we can't get the message muddled up. It's the way we deliver it. It's the way the message comes through. Now, as more videos will definitely come off of the back of it, because I've recently watched and I go and watch all the time on YouTube in person, and I watch what people say the spirit world are saying, and some of it's so wrong. It's that they are in the psychic mechanic. They are doing it through the psyche awareness. And it's not the message from the spirit world. Spirit world won't tell you to leave someone. The spirit world won't tell you to change career. They won't do it. They'll offer guidance, or they'll offer a way of, or they'll offer a solution as such. They won't tell you to do anything. They can't, they won't, and that's the medium that you're working with. Whether their idea or their philosophy is in place is, is entirely down to them. But the spirit world will offer a guidance, a nurturing way to help you through your current situation. So it is a very simple philosophy. I know that's why the video is very short, and that's why I decided to do it inside today, because it is miserable out there. And so I've got a lot to do myself. I've got a platform coming up this evening. And so it just made sense to do this very quick video for the viewer, because as you know, I try to get through as many of the viewers' questions as I possibly can. So I hope you get something from that, Carrie. Let me know which one it was. Was it the mixing up of the communicator? However, I've done this one on the mixing up of a message. And in short, you can't get it wrong. It's just the way you are presenting that message for the client on this day, which will always be the same. The message will be exactly the same from the 5. It's just how you present it through the personality of the communicator that you have. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll probably see you tomorrow, because I missed yesterday's upload because my youngest child had broke up from school, and I had her for a couple of days, and you know what it's like with a 10-year-old. The day just goes very quickly, and I didn't get a chance to get on the camera. So this is yesterday's upload. And I'll do another one tomorrow, which may be a little bit more closer to the mark. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.